How's it going, guys? Chase with Alamo Auto Supply here. Let's talk about what's rolling out of the shop this week. So, brand new Gladiator that we got in. We went ahead and started it off with some goodies on the front. We got a nice replacement front bumper from Westin, the WJ2 series. This is an awesome bumper. Hit some stuff with it, don't hit some stuff with it. It looks good either way. Gonna go ahead and give you some trail support with the Warn 10S, the Evo. This is a synthetic winch. Gives you plenty of pulling power, whether you're on the trail or just helping somebody off the side of the road. So you're used to Rigid's normal square design. We went with some Rigid 360 series lights on the front here. Lets you light it up through the night. Complements the round headlights on the Jeep and the Gladiator specifically. On the factory Gladiator, the Mohave edition gives you some Fox shocks, remote reservoir shocks. They're tucked in nice and low out of the way. Keep everything ready to go for off-road. We complement that with a nice SST kit from Ready Lift. This gives you net 4 inches of lift on the full vehicle. So it gives you some more ground clearance for the trails, as well as that awesome Fox suspension package from the factory. So we're gonna round that off with some good trail grip with those Wildpeak MTs from Falken. Complement the factory wheels nicely and give you some more grip off-road. So what do you want to do when you want to keep some cargo management and you want to get all of your trail packages and your tools and everything? You want to complement that with a deck system. Gives you some awesome storage options back here. Gives you some dividers and some cargo management, as well as some nice storage boxes. Decked is weather resistant, dust resistant, going to keep a lot of the stuff of the trail out. Waterproof with some nice storage boxes as well.